Are you curious about how technology is transforming the job market and what it means for your career? Do you want to stay ahead of the curve and be prepared for the jobs of the future? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the exciting new opportunities and possibilities presented by the technological revolution and discuss how you can position yourself for success in this rapidly changing landscape. Join us as we dive into the impact of automation, artificial intelligence, and other cutting-edge technologies on the job market and learn how to harness their potential to take your career to the next level. Section 1. The impact of technology on the job market. As we all know, technology is changing the world in ways we never imagined possible. And one of the most significant changes we're seeing is in the job market. With the rise of automation and AI, many jobs that were once done by humans are now being done by machines. This shift has been happening for a while now, but it's only going to accelerate in the coming years. According to a report by the McKinsey Global Institute, as many as 375 million workers around the world may need to switch occupations or upgrade their skills by 2030 because of automation. And while some industries will be hit harder than others, the reality is that no job is entirely safe from technological disruption. But it's not all bad news. While technology may be taking some jobs away, it's also creating new opportunities. For example, the rise of AI has led to the creation of whole new industries such as machine learning and data analysis. Section 2. The gig economy and remote work. Another significant change in the job market is the rise of the gig economy and remote work. With the advent of platforms like Uber, Airbnb, and Upwork, it's now easier than ever for people to work for themselves and set their own schedules. But while the gig economy offers many benefits such as flexibility and independence, it also has its downsides. For one thing, gig workers typically don't have access to benefits like health insurance or retirement plans. And since they're self-employed, they're also responsible for paying their own taxes. Remote work is another trend that's becoming more popular, especially in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. Many companies have shifted to remote work to keep their employees safe, and some are even planning to make it a permanent arrangement. While remote work offers many benefits, such as avoiding long commutes and being able to work from anywhere, it also comes with its own set of challenges. For example, it can be difficult to separate work from personal life, and some people may struggle with loneliness and isolation. Section 3. The importance of lifelong learning. One thing that's becoming increasingly clear is that workers need to be able to adapt to the changes brought on by technology. This means being willing to learn new skills and upgrade their existing ones. In other words, lifelong learning is more critical than ever before. By staying up to date with the latest technological developments and continuously upgrading their skills, workers can remain competitive in the job market. But it's not just about technical skills. Soft skills like adaptability, creativity, and critical thinking are also essential. Section 4. How to prepare for the future of work. So, what can workers do to prepare for the future of work? 1. Stay up to date with the latest technological developments and understand how they could impact your industry. 2. Invest in your education and continuously upgrade your skills. 3. Cultivate soft skills like adaptability, creativity, and critical thinking. 4. Build a strong professional network and stay connected with other professionals in your field. Section 5. Overcoming barriers to technology adoption in the workplace. While the benefits of technology in the workplace are clear, many organizations face challenges when it comes to adopting new technologies. These challenges can include everything from budget constraints to lack of technical expertise to resistance to change among employees. One common barrier to technology adoption is the cost of implementing new technologies. Many organizations may not have the budget to invest in the latest and greatest technologies, or may be hesitant to take on additional expenses. Another challenge can be a lack of technical expertise among employees. For example, if an organization is implementing a new software program, employees may need to be trained on how to use it effectively. This can take time and resources and may be difficult to accomplish if employees are already stretched thin. Finally, resistance to change can also be a significant barrier to technology adoption. employees may be hesitant to learn new systems or ways of doing things, or may be concerned that technology will make their jobs obsolete. Overcoming this resistance requires effective communication and change management strategies, as well as a focus on addressing employee concerns and providing support throughout the transition. Despite these challenges, it's clear that technology adoption is essential for organizations that want to remain competitive in the modern job market. By working to overcome these barriers and investing in the right technologies, organizations can increase productivity, improve efficiency, and ultimately position themselves for long-term success. In conclusion, the impact of technology on the job market is significant and cannot be ignored. While it may lead to job losses in some industries, it's also creating new opportunities and industries that we can't even imagine yet. The key to success in this rapidly changing job market is to stay flexible and adaptable, and to continuously develop new skills that are relevant to the changing industry landscape. Embracing technology and the opportunities it presents can help us stay ahead of the curve and take advantage of new career paths that were previously unimaginable. But what about the potential downside of technology on the job market? As we've discussed earlier, automation and artificial intelligence have the potential to displace workers, leaving many individuals unemployed. While it's important to recognize the potential for job loss, it's equally important to focus on the potential for job creation. New technologies will undoubtedly create new job opportunities, particularly in fields like artificial intelligence, data analytics, and cybersecurity. The key is to be proactive in identifying these opportunities and developing the skills required to pursue them. At the same time, it's important to ensure that the benefits of technology are shared equitably across society. We need to work to mitigate the negative impact of automation on workers by investing in education and training programs that prepare workers for the jobs of the future. By doing so, we can ensure that everyone has the opportunity to benefit from the technological revolution. In order to fully realize the potential of technology in the job market, it's crucial to take a proactive approach. This means staying informed about the latest technological developments and trends and being willing to adapt to the changing landscape. It also means recognizing the need for equitable access to education and training programs that can prepare workers for the jobs of the future. By keeping these principles in mind, we can ensure that everyone has the opportunity to benefit from the technological revolution and that the benefits are shared equitably across society. The future of work is rapidly changing, but with the right mindset and the right skills, we can all be part of this exciting new era of technological advancement. Thank you for watching, and we hope you're inspired to embrace the opportunities presented by this exciting new landscape.